What's going on, everybody?
Hey guys.
Today we're doing a shower build video that we did on our Skoolie a few weeks back, and it's a time-lapse video, and hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna jump right into it, so let's do this.
Check it out.
This is called the perfect slope, and it just gives your shower pan a bit of a slope going to the flange here. I had measured under there where I wanted my hole at, cut our perfect slope, slapped it in, and from there I just went to the bottom and I traced out my hole, and then I cut my hole out for the flange.
Right now we are gonna put this pan liner in here. This is Oatly shower pan liner, and that's our next phase. But we're gonna dry fit it first. So we're gonna put tack nails up here, and then we're gonna fold our corners, and then we're gonna put these guys on top and kind of seal it up that way.
Liner seal in.
Not pretty. It'll work.
I think it's pretty good.
And then we're gonna put our hardy backer walls up against there so we'll like push them in.
It's in the bottom piece of the flange.
By your hand.
Take the metal piece, and this is the bottom. Place the 3 there, and then the top is right there-ish. It's kind of close, it's pretty close.
So we're taping and floating. Tape meaning this mesh tape right here. It's going in the cracks of all of our boards and the seams so that no water gets in there. And then we're gonna put this as mortar mix, pre-made mortar mix, and we're just kind of just making it waterproof. Then we're gonna go over it with red card. I did it backwards.